you and your opponent trying to like show who's better, just to each other, you know, just like in the feeling of the inside, you know, that's still happening here, you know, in this culture.
Yeah.
Outside of the competition.
And speaking to a lot of pioneers and OGs, they were telling me that back in the day when they would Cypher battle or battle at a club, it really just came down to the momentum of the battle, who would give up, who would throw the towel, what the crowd would think. But ultimately, everyone thought they won.
Yeah, that's perfect. So amazing. We're gonna see. This is not like, you know, a competition Cypher. This is just to give some spotlight to the people who came here just to vibe out in the Cyphers, you know, just to exchange with each other.
We got DJ Clash in the 1s and 2s.
And right now, Perninha on the dance floor. Brazil, MZK, Ill Abilities, Gangrena.
Woo! Oh, he's going hard for his first round. Wow.
This guy actually was battling yesterday in a 2 versus 2. Did a crazy round as well. Pesto, Italy.
Pesto with the footwork text.
Definitely bringing that raw energy right into it.
Responding to his power.
Switching directions. Shout out to Ill Abilities, y'all, pushing the limits. No excuses. Pesto rocking the freestyle session t-shirt.
Are we going unlimited rounds?
I'm not sure, to be honest. You know, Cypher Cat has always this kind of freestyle energy, so I'm not sure there's a lot of rules to this battle, to be honest.
They should bring the crowd in closer.
Yeah.
To give it that intimate feel. Perninha. Still going strong, still going hard. Round 3. Wow.
That's the super fresh style. Taking advantage of the whole dance floor, switching directions. A lot of threads, a lot of pretzels, very extended.